So basically today we're doing our cleanup job. We had a very fun bubble project yesterday and it was super fun, but it was super messy too. Because we add the ingredients, the sugar, which is everywhere is very sticky, but
The sugar is right on the ground.
yeah, so after we had fun and it left a lot of spots on the ground, on the table, on the chairs. So and yesterday we're so lucky too. We got a free art table, which is that one, and we covered it with a piece of white cloth, which is very beautiful. But right now you can't see it because we pulled up the tablecloth. We want to clean everywhere on the ground. And now Jerry and Isabella, they're both working very hard to clean up this area. We want to give our art club a very clean, neat environment. So that's what we will do today. And plus it's a very sunny day and it's very good that we stay outside and we're working, we're having fun. How are you feeling, Isabella and Jerry?
Good. Very good. Yeah, I'm feeling very messy.
But not messy today, I think. Today, you see everywhere is becoming more and more tidy and clean, and you feel good. Do you feel good today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy because my filming is going to be done early.
Yes, and probably we should clean up the table.
Yeah.
So my initial thought is to move this table. I mean, this with a giant umbrella to the other side, so you guys can have a more space for outdoor activities.
And video recording.
Yeah, we're going to have more fun. We have a lot of projects coming up, and we want to do some videos to make more memories. So Jerry, what are you doing? Can you tell us?
Driving the soap.
Uh-huh.
I mean, not the soap.
What happened to the hose? It stopped. Mm-hmm.
Someone there.
It's almost clean, but I'm wondering how about the table and the table surface? I can still see some spots. Can we add water? And we still need the hose working, and also the chairs. They really need some scrubbing. I mean,
I know, we need a sponge.
okay.
Oh, I have face paint. I have face paint. No, I'm gonna get the dishwasher. The sponges. Can I go get a new dishwashing sponge?
I think we need warm water. Those are because you have some. Can we use water first? I don't want to add more detergent. That's not environmentally safe for the plants, I think. I guess this table is really heavy, but we can try it. It's not too heavy? We can try. Isabella, do you want to give us a hand? Be careful because we already put some treasure there. Oh, your background is beautiful and all the flowers are in bloom. Oh, that's teamwork. Perfect. But I remember under the table there are some spots too. Do you guys notice that? I know you put water there, but I think Isabella, can you move the swipe and to give some scrub over there?
I'll get a old dishwashing sponge.
Okay, Isabella, under the table, our table. That's right. That's the place I'm talking about.
Mama, if I scrub more, there's going to be more.
That's okay, because we will put water there and they will.
Because on here 就有那些东西。
Yes,
On here there is the sugar.
yes, I noticed that. And also on the table of the recessing wall and the surface, and we need some scrub. You know, we have to move those plants and other stuff, and then we can use the water over there. Now it's really sunny and it's warm today. It's Friday and it's fun sharing. Yeah, I guess I have to stop here and give them a hand. I have to be with them. Thank you for watching.